Hi, my name is Anusia. I'm founder of my own company. The company's name is Mijite. I found the seminar very beneficial, especially the discussion on KPI and how to look at it from a business perspective. Now, as a business person, obviously for me it is very critical to make sure that employees deliver on certain outcomes. But what was very interesting was how we actually look at the outcomes in terms of putting little what we call lead time KPIs, so that we can actually achieve the bigger outcome. So after this, I'm actually going to go and meet my employees, because we have this weekly review, and I'm going to discuss with them and how we can set some additional KPIs which can lead up to the overall outcome. Because sometimes when you don't achieve the overall outcome, you only find out towards the end of the quarter or the end of the year. So in this particular case, at least we can have some small wins where we can then see how far away we are from achieving our overall outcome. So I found the seminar very relevant. It actually sets some new thought processes for me to go back and implement.